Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Recycling Center Simulator game on your PC. Guys, I will also show you that how you can download and install the demo version. So first open up your browser and just open up the Steam website, then just click on the login option on the top. Now here just simply sign into your account guys. If you don't have an account then just create an account. So creating account is very important to download and install this game on your PC. So once you created the account, then click on the install Steam option on the top. Now just simply download the Steam and install it into your PC guys. This is very simple and easy process. So once you download and install the Steam, simply open it, then simply log into your account, then just click on the top search box and just type here the game which is the Recycling Center Simulator. And guys, this game appear on the top, so simply open it. Now here just scroll down and you will see the option of buy this game. Now if you want to play the demo version of this game, just click on the add to library option, then just click on the OK. Now if you want to play the original game, then just click on the add to cart option. So once you click on that, now here you will see the option of view my cart, so just click on the view my cart option. Now here you will see the option of continue to payment, just click on that. Now guys, simply pay with your PayPal or any other cards you have. So once you pay the amount, now the game was added to your Steam library. Click on the library option on the top, and on the left hand side you will find this game which is the Recycling Center Simulator. Just click on that, then click on the install. Now this is the demo version, but if you purchase the game you will see the game. Now just click on the install, and this is how you can download and install this game. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking, and bye bye and take care.